Hello fam, back in the forest, back at Ducheny Falls, Northern Ontario beauty. Behold, it keeps getting better. It's so pretty. Be careful. Like, it's more calm today. Oh my gosh. You know, I might be over 4 hours from Toronto, but there's some treasures here. There's more. Oh my gosh. The very top. Oh my gosh. Didn't know you could get up here from last time. Oh my gosh. Wow. Being blown away by the amazing waterfalls. And we're gonna see how high we can get and what kind of views we can get. It's only our second time here, but it's like we're starting to see why everyone local is raving about this place. You just gotta find the trails. They're just a little more kind of tucked away. It's like a more natural trail. Oh, is this? We didn't even see this last time. Oh my gosh. And you can chill out right there. What? Oh my gosh. Wow, 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 wow. You're gonna hang on. Oh. It really makes your heart like pump. Do you like it? Do you like it, vlog? Comment below if you are digging these northern adventures. Okay, as epic as that is, we gotta get to the very top, of course, because that's why you're subscribed. This is one of the coolest trails. Like, North Bay, you are not disappointing. Oh my god, there's more awesomeness. Oh, look. Why is this so cool? I don't know, but probably because it's nature. It's here on its own. Yeah. Yes. Wow. There's more. There's still more. Oh yeah, I want to see where this leads. That just looks like art. Oh my gosh, you could just hang out here for the day. There are so many good little spots here. Oh my gosh. So this is what the so-called trails look like. A lot of roots, a lot of rocks, and you kind of just have to guess and see kind of where it might lead. Like, I think this is a trail. It's just barely noticeable, really. But if you want to, you can just wade down there where it's quiet. Oh, yeah. Ooh, there's more up here. Someone said there was a bridge. So we're trying to find the bridge. Oh, I think we found it. Oh. Okay, well, we have to go on it. Very carefully. It's a little damp here. Super careful. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Super careful. Yeah. Oh, okay. So you can cross and see the rest. Top. Basically the top. No, there's more. There's more and more and more, you guys. How high can we get today? Like there's just more and more waterfalls. Wow, I can't believe we didn't see this before. There's a lot of waterfalls here. Every 10 steps, you think it can't get better. And like you just keep getting higher and higher and the view keeps getting better. Thanks for subscribing, fam. I love going on adventures with you guys. Having an excuse to hit the trails instead of just work. Like, well, no, I gotta show everyone how cool Canada is and all the hidden spots. You can really start to smell all the spring smells, everything kind of budding, especially the last day where it hit 20. Now everything's really coming to life. I love how the rocks look. And a spot where you can dip your feet. Getting a little muddy down here, but there's always a way. Just keeps going. So we're gonna have to come back and do a part 3 at some point when it's warmer. Something I just said to my friend, like, you know what? And I even got a shirt of this recently. Peace really is a practice. I just said, you know, I'm 20% happier just walking around here, slowing down. When else do you slow down other than for meditation, right? And just hearing the water sounds and like looking at all the details of nature. It's like, yeah, you just have to remind yourself, practice taking in the beauty around you, like practice being at peace. It really is an active practice. Like, look at this. Look at this freaking mushroom, okay? I don't even know if it's a mushroom or a plant, but it's pretty dang cool, and it reminds me of Whoville, so. We gotta get to North Bay, so yeah, I'm gonna sign you off with that. Blessings.